Thank you very much, Luca. I'm very glad to be here. The Ministry of Education welcomes you all on this online event, and we are very glad to be here. First of all, let me tell you that we follow and notice the last, let's just say, 10 years involvement and development at the level of vocational education and training at the European level and also at the national level, where the member states and all the European countries have strived to improve the quality assurance systems as a essential part of the vocational system as a whole. This is thanks to the recommendation of EQAVET, which is probably one of the most popular and successful transparency tools at the European level and is very often used. I've been along quite a long time, let's just say for the last 10 years, and I could see the development, how the member states did the outstanding work implementing the EQAVET tools and indicators in its systems. When I just can mention some of them, at least the quality of the teaching staff, the VET provision and its relevance to the labor market, VET accessible to all, and cooperation of the VET providers with the companies and employers. These are only the few of the things which could and objectively helped us to improve the quality assurance system in our countries. This goes also in hand with all the other European activities at the VET system, key competencies for lifelong learning, digital and green transition, and also the upcoming and already ongoing Industry Revolution 4.0. This all has been mirrored in the recommendation, the new recommendation on VET, which already Kuhn has mentioned, and it is important that all the member states support it. Slovakia is not an exception. We strongly committed ourselves to the quality assurance improvement and implementation towards also the common European educational area up to the 2025. It is our job as a ministry to support and implement the quality assurance systems at the systemic level, at the national level, and to make that the first choice for learners and enhance the educational programs according to the special individual needs of the learners. This is very important. But I know, and we all know, that even more difficult task is at the level of the schools and VET providers, which have to be confronted with the day-to-day reality and implement the quality assurance cycles at the level of educational process and the level of management of the schools. These are the very two difficult and tremendous tasks to be performed. And this method, the peer review method, will help us and helps us already to achieve these goals and set up even higher goals and aims to improve the quality assurance systems at the VET provider level. We see that, and we are very happy to see that the peer review is fast spreading across Slovakia and is commonly used in other European countries. At the end, let me thank the State Institute for Vocational Education and Training for organizing this online meeting. We think it's a great idea, and thank them for the outstanding work regarding the networking, the all relevant stakeholders in the quality assurance area. Also, I would like to thank the presenters for sharing their presentations, best practices, and also, let's just say, the lessons learned from all the relevant countries and VET institutions, or even the founders of the schools, in order that we can improve the peer review methods in our respective countries. And at the very end, I wish you all the fruitful discussion, sharing your ideas and suggestions in order to improve the VET system as a whole, at the systemic level, at the level of the VET providers. And thank you very much again for the opportunity to be here. Thank you very much.